Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious 3-way wet burritos. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To a pressure cooker, we're going to be adding our 3 pounds of chuck tender roast, along with half an onion, 3 bay leaves, a small garlic head. We're going to season with 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon. Now cover it with 5 cups of water. Close it and allow it to cook for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Once our meat is done, we're going to release all of the steam from our pressure cooker. Open it. We're going to remove our meat and it should be nice and tender. Okay, and just make sure to remove the onion, garlic, and the bay leaves. And now to our broth, we're going to add all of our ingredients for our salsas. We're going to begin with 15 tomatillos, 3 chiles serranos, 12 guajillo or New Mexico chile pods. Make sure you clean them. 1 chile ancho, and 1 Roma tomato. We're just going to allow them to sit there. Meanwhile, we shred our meat. Okay, so once we have our meat all nicely shredded, we're going to set it to the side until it's time to mix it in with our salsas. Once the tomatillos have changed color, now we can get ready to make our sauces. So for our red sauce, we're going to be adding 3 tomatillos, the Roma tomato, the guajillo peppers, and the chile ancho. Along with that, we're going to add 5 cups of the broth. Now to my blender cup, I'm also going to be adding 3 garlic cloves, 1 bay leaf, 3 tablespoons of instant corn masa, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and we're going to be blending until smooth. Okay, and just like that, we have our red sauce. Now for our green salsa, we're going to add the rest of the tomatillos and the chiles serranos. And for our green sauce, we're going to add 2 cups of the broth. Okay, to a blender cup, we're going to add half an onion, a handful of cilantro, 6 roasted and peeled hatch peppers. I'm also going to be adding 3 chile de árbol, 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, oregano, cumin, salt, and chicken bouillon. Now we blend until smooth. Okay, once we have our sauces, now we can get ready to put it all together. Okay, to my pan over medium-high heat, I'm going to heat up a little bit of avocado oil. Okay, once it's nice and hot, we're going to add 1 large small diced potato. Going to be seasoning my potatoes with total seasoning. Okay, now we're just going to be frying them for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to add half of our meat along with the red sauce. Okay, just make sure you mix it all together and bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now we're just going to set it to the side and allow it to continue simmering. Meanwhile, we make our other guisado. For the chile verde, we're going to repeat the same steps. Heat up your oil. Okay, once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our 1 large small diced potato. Season it with some total seasoning. And now we're just going to fry them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the rest of the meat in the green sauce. Okay, now mix it all together and bring it to a simmer. Okay, once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now just reduce the heat to medium and allow it to continue simmering for 12 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are fully cooked. Our potatoes should have fully cooked, so they should be nice and soft, and our sauces should have thickened up. So now we can get ready to make our burritos. Okay, so I'm going to begin by grabbing my flour tortilla. I'm going to be adding some rice, my frijoles de la olla. Okay, on 1/2, I'm going to add my chile colorado, and on the other one, my chile verde. Okay, grab the ends and roll. Okay, and I'm just going to be placing it in a baking dish and repeat the process with the rest of my burritos. Okay, so once we have our burritos, we're going to get the sauce from our meat, and now we're just going to drizzle it all over the top of the burrito. Make sure you add the sauce depending on the side of the guisado, and the other half with the green. Okay, in the middle, I'm just going to add my queso Oaxaca. Now I'm going to place it in my preheated oven at 450 degrees and allow the cheese to melt. And after 5 minutes, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious. And of course, if you want to try it with pork, you can always do that. But my family love beef, so let me tell you that this right here is honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So delicious. Now that one is a little bit on the spicy side. But of course, you can always adjust that. If you don't want it to be spicy, don't add the chile serranos. The red one here, I'm ready. Seriously, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make super easy and delicious 3-way wet burritos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.